Are you looking? As more people seek fast, efficient solutions for wrinkle-free clothes, fabric steamers have seen a surge in popularity. Unlike traditional irons, steamers offer convenience, portability, and speed, perfect for both daily use and travel. Whether you're a busy professional, fashion enthusiast, or just want crisp-looking clothes without the ironing board, list number. Steamer for clothes, 1600-watt 2-in-1 steamer and iron with large ceramic plate, powerful turbo steam, smart temperature control. This powerhouse 2-in-1 fabric steamer doubles as an iron and delivers impressive versatility. Its 1600-watt turbo steam technology ensures deep wrinkle removal, while the large ceramic sole plate smoothly glides over all fabric types. What sets it apart is its smart temperature control, which automatically adjusts to avoid fabric damage. It heats up quickly and offers a steady, powerful steam flow that easily handles thick garments like coats and curtains. The detachable list number steamer for clothes, 1350 watts. Clothes steamer for home, office, travel, upgraded 400 ml large capacity water tank. This 1350-watt steamer offers a powerful punch in a lightweight frame. Designed for everyday use and travel, its standout feature is the 400 ml upgraded water tank, which provides up to 25 minutes of continuous steam. Ideal for multiple outfits in one go, it heats up fast and delivers consistent steam output to smooth out stubborn wrinkles efficiently. The compact build makes it easy to pack in a suitcase, while the long cord ensures convenient use even in hotel rooms or tight spaces. Safety features like automatic shutoff when the water runs low make this a reliable list number. High Life steamer for clothes, handheld clothes steamer with large 300 milliliter tank, 1100 watts strong power, 30 seconds fast heat up. High Life's 1100 watt handheld steamer is a customer favorite thanks to its 30-second heat up time and ergonomic design. The 300 milliliter tank is large enough for about 15 to 20 minutes of continuous steaming, and its strong penetrating steam is ideal for cotton, linen, silk, and polyester. The unit is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a popular choice for small apartments or dorm rooms. It includes a 9-foot cord for flexibility and can be used vertically or slightly tilted. The nozzle design delivers steam evenly, ensuring you won't need multiple passes over stubborn wrinkles. It's compact,
List them. High Life steamer for clothes, portable handheld design, 240 milliliter big capacity, 700 watts, strong penetrating steam. If you're looking for a basic budget-friendly steamer, this High Life 700 watts model delivers. With a 240 milliliter tank and a steady steam flow, it's great for quick touch-ups or last-minute outfit refreshes. The smaller wattage means it's more energy efficient, though not as powerful as others on this list. Despite that, it handles most lightweight fabrics well, and its compact size makes it a great option for frequent flyers or minimalists. It's super easy to use. Just fill, plug in, and steam. While it may struggle with heavy fabrics like denim or wool, list number OGHOM steamer for clothes, handheld clothing steamer for garment, 240 milliliter big capacity, 700 watt portable travel steam iron. The OGHOM steamer is a solid travel steamer with 700 watts of power and a 240 milliliter capacity. It boasts a 15-minute steam time, which is ideal for quick garment fixes on the go. The design includes a safe, ergonomic grip, and its compact frame fits neatly into any travel bag. While it doesn't have premium features like ceramic plates or smart control, its consistent steam flow and safety shutoff function make it dependable for short-term or emergency use. It's best for those who need something small and simple for travel, office, or dorm room use.